Hey there, folks. Want to spruce up your wardrobe and save the planet at the same time? Sustainable fashion ain't just a buzzword, it's a way of life. First things first, dig through that old closet of yours. Find those jeans you ain't worn since high school, turn them into a snazzy skirt or some cool shorts with a few snips and stitches. Got a t-shirt that's seen better days? Transform it into a tank top, crop top, or even a reusable bag. And if you're feeling fancy, try natural dyes like turmeric or beetroot for some eco-friendly color flair. Feeling extra crafty? Dive into making your own clothes from scratch. Use sustainable fabrics like organic cotton, linen, or hemp. There are loads of online tutorials to help you sew up a storm. And let's not forget those basic sewing skills. Learn to mend and adjust your clothes, and you'll keep them out of the landfill. So grab those scissors and let your creativity run wild. You'll save the planet and look mighty fine doing it. Sustainable fashion, it's the future, y'all.